Assalamualaikum and hi, here my name is Nurhusna Sasha binti Samsul Amli and my magic number is E21A0606 as your presenter. Today, I will talk about my final year project research that I prepared within this month, which title about investigation conservation white ginger, Zingiberaceae at Gua Setir Kelantan as medical remedial. Let's get started to my dearest viewers. First of all, conservation is about taking care or preserving species variety and habitats. Wild ginger are belonging Zingiberaceae family. Wild ginger exhibits floral structure characterized by vibrant color and intricate pattern. My research is all about wild ginger that was found at Gua Setir Kelantan, which is known as limestone cave forest. In terms of distribution, wild ginger species are predominantly found in tropical and subtropical regions. The growth of the type of species that grows is influenced by the environmental condition, such as limestone cave forest. Furthermore, wild ginger has cultural and traditional significance in many regions. It is used in indigenous practices, traditional medicine system, and cultural ritual, highlighting its deep-rooted connection to human societies. Next, my objective for this research are to study ginger use in human life. Second, to study the effectiveness of Zingiberaceae officinale and white ginger in treating human disease. So next, we take a look at 3 problem statements that I state in my presentation. First, traditional medicine. People nowadays only accept and only rely on medicine or treatment in modern way, which is mean they are eating chemical pills that provided by hospital. Traditional treatment is only practiced by the older generation where they drink ginger honey water to get rid of nausea and dizziness. Next, conservation habitat. The existence of wild ginger itself in certain habitat is also less able to be tracked due to the lack of exploration of limestone forest area. Therefore, the habitat also cannot be known to exist, causing the conservation measure of ginger species habitat in the limestone forest cave area to be carried out effectively. Lack of knowledgement. Research related to wild ginger species itself has not been comprehensively expanded, nor has it involved many parties. Knowledge related to forest ginger is only among researchers. Significance of study are ethnomedicine and biodiversity conservation. For ethnomedicine, studying the existing chemical composition, traditional uses, and potential applications that can lead to new discoveries in the field of pharmaceutical and new natural products. Biodiversity conservation. Conservation status help protect and preserving population. The preservation of this wild ginger may be done by taking tissue culture of species that belonging to the threatened list. We move to literature review part. First, about wild ginger. As I said earlier, wild ginger shares the same similarities of characteristics, but they also have a difference where wild ginger has a vibrant color while ginger officinale have yellowish, pinkish, and a bit chocolate color. 7 genera was recorded in Gua Setir, namely Alpinia, Bosenbergia, Ethlingera, Globa, Plagiostachys, Wolfbania, and Zingiber. In Zingiberaceae, identified 16 wild ginger species from 7 genera in 4 lime forest cave. Next, the relationship between humans and the use of white herb in medicine divide into 2. First are ethnobotanical, which means the scientific study of the traditional knowledge and custom of a people concerning plant and their medical, religious, and other uses. In medical remedial, wild ginger help to treat fever and headache. Wild ginger contain more than 60 active ingredient classified into volatile and non-volatile component. Phenolic is the main bioactive compound in ginger that generate charcoal and paradols. In dentistry, used in disease of oral cavity. By consuming wild ginger, it can work as antifungal phytomedicines. Last part of literature review is about potential effectiveness of wild ginger, Zingiberaceae family, with antiviral efficacy towards envelope virus. First point, effectiveness of ginger for the treatment of nausea and vomiting in induced pregnancy. Lowering the frequency and severity of vomiting during pregnancy induced nausea and vomiting. Now I will show to you guys about my budget research. In this research, I have spent, as long as I conduct this research, all of these expenses are entirely what I use for daily use and the purchase of tools used in this research. Next, I will show to you guys my Gantt chart. This chart showing my progression that I made to complete this research from March to August. Last thing I will talk about in my presentation are milestones. That's mean what I was able to achieve throughout this research. This allow me to see the tracking of my time to do each part in my research.